like this square one. Then I'll add the link below, then you can buy online for this socket for your sump nut. Yeah, oil level was there close to maximum level. Now I'm going to leave it as it is and start the car and leave it 5 minutes running. Welcome to the channel. Today we got Nissan Juke 2015, 2016-17 model also same. I'm going to show you how we're going to change engine oil and oil filter. Take a good idea, then after that you can do your own like these small jobs. We need to jack up the car, jacking point underneath. Then after that we leave axle stand under the lower suspension arm for additional safety. When you work underneath, follow all safety method. If something happen, you ending with unexpected accident, be aware of that one. Before you go underneath, better to leave axle stand underneath. Next step, we are going to remove some plug and drain engine oil. Today Ashi going to do the job and I'm going to do the video. Take a good idea, then end of the video you will do like this smaller job with your own experience. Let's start the job. This sump nut has a square head like this square one. Then I'll add the link below, then you can buy online for this socket for your sump nut. Now he already drained the engine oil. You can see you need a like this container to pick up the oil. Next step is going to remove oil filter. Need to turn anti-clockwise. Give it bit time to drain the oil first, then after that we can remove the filter, otherwise we are going to shower with the oil. Yeah. Now he can remove, as she doesn't like to wearing gloves. If you want to make your hands clean, better to wear the gloves. I'm normally wearing the gloves, but he don't want to wear the gloves. He happy to work his bare hand. Right, filter out. And also when you drain the oil, better to leave it open this cap and just press the cap like that, because if you leave it fully open like this, if some reason accidentally when you drop something here, it's going to inside the engine. Be careful, just open and leave cap like that, because if it's something drop, it's not going to inside the engine. And better to clean inside the filter cap. Is using brake clean and clean inside the cap. Now we need to remove that rubber o-ring. Compare new one and old one, make sure correct size. Yes, it's exactly correct. Then after that we are going to apply little bit oil surround this area to make it easy to install and tighten. And filter, we are going to leave it as it is, and we are going to install to the sump cover this point. Then after that we are going to install the cap. At the moment we are going to leave it as it is. This is the sump nut. You can see square head. We need a special socket for the remove this one. And also once you remove it, better to change this copper washer, or if you can change the whole sump plug, it's handy. If it not, some people use thread seal surround this area. However, make sure once you install back, no leakings around this area. That's why we doing everything for the prevent leaking. Now we are ready for the install oil filter and the sump plug. Before that, we are going to clean around this area using brake cleaner. Right, next step, we are going to install the filter. Just press in. Right, after that, filter housing. No need to do over tight, just do the hand tight. Right, next step, we are going to install sump plug. Some people call sump nut, whatever different name for the same thing. That one also need to do hand tight and tight clockwise. Just do the hand tight, no need to do the over tightening. Then after that, we are going to clean around that area. And same time, when you work underneath, have a look underneath the engine area, any leaking, unusual thing. Same time, when you at the underneath, if you find something, take action for the that thing also. It's easy, because otherwise you have to go separate underneath and have a look around the gearbox area. This gearbox nice and dry. Yeah, have a look any coolant leaking or something. Take a just quick look. I can't find any leakings around this area. Now underneath all done, then I'm going to leave it access stand and jack as it is, and remove this oil container and go to the top of the engine, and I'm going to fill up the engine oil. At the moment, I'm going to add 3.5 liters as a first step. When you going to select the oil, contact your local parts supplier and check with them which oil grade this vehicle has, because this vehicle has a special grade of oil. If you put it some other junk oil, it's not good for your timing chain. Beware of that one when you're going to add the oil. Right, it's 3.5 now. When you're going to add the oil, make sure add correct grade of the oil. Don't going to add junk oil for the like this new cars. It's not good for your timing chain and internal component inside the engine bay. Right, now I'm going to check the oil level. Remove dipstick and wipe the dipstick. Again reinstall and going to check the oil level. It's still under the minimum level. Then I'm going to add another 1 more liter. This car normally holding nearly 5 liters. However, I'm going to add another 1 liter and check the oil level. Right, now again I'm going to leave couple of minutes to settle down the oil and going to check the oil level again. Install the dipstick. Now, yeah, oil level was there close to maximum level. Now I'm going to leave it as it is and start the car and leave it 5 minutes running. Right. Now I'm going to start the car and leave it 5 minutes running, and the same time make sure open the window and leave it open, because some cars when you shut the door it will lock automatically. Because of that, I'm leave the window open and I'm going to leave the key inside, and after 5 minutes I'll come back to you. While it's running, if you want, you can top up screen washer until neck level, and same time you can check tires, brake, surround the area, and you can check inside engine bay any unusual things there, like a leaking or some wire damage or something. Just check visually, no need to check thoroughly, just have a quick look surround the engine bay. Now we left it around 5 minutes running, then after that I'm going to check any leakings around the filter cap area and sump nut area. Nice and dry. Yeah, yeah, it's nice and dry. Then after that I'm going to switch off the car and lower the jack. I'm satisfied underneath. Now I'm going to switch off the car, because many people after service not checking underneath leaking, but take a 5 minute your own time and check underneath leaking. It's good practice, because some cars turn up here after 2-3 months without engine oil, underneath oil leaking. Because of that, once you've done the service, make sure no leaking underneath. Then after that I'm going to take out axle stand and lower the jack. Now we are ready to check final oil level. Now car in a flat surface, and we are going to check the oil level again. It's need to top up more, then after that we are going to top up until correct level, then after that service fine. Right, I'm going to check the oil level now. Exactly spot on here, you can see that means it's correct level. It's holding exactly 5 liters.
Job done, as you have seen, step by step. Yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate. Please drop it down in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do as soon as possible. We'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Thank you. See you in the next video.